Come on. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on, you little shit. You want a good picture of the bat in form?
Oh, he's clicking. He's clicking and making a radar imagery of his whole surroundings. That's crazy.
Yeah.
It's like a sonar system. That's what they talk about in Batman, right?
Uh-huh.
Make him fly.
Okay, you ready? You might not fly. Oh, God, what teeth he's got.
I know, they're so sharp looking.
Yeah, look how sharp they are. Oh, he's hooked on some new money. See, they can't see. The radar's what they see.
Yeah, they don't have any eyes, right?
Yeah, they got eyes, but they can't see. Only at night, and then the radars, and they come in and pick it up.
Yeah. Oh.
Damn, what about it? I've been out of shape here. That's two of them we've got here.
That's crazy, dude.
Oh, look at his feet. Oh, yeah, he's all walling up there. He says, hell, it's cold. Get me back in that warm spot. Oh, man. Look at the teeth on that baby.
Dude, that would hurt if he bit you. Oh, my God.
Oh, yeah. Look at them feet. Oh. Man, he got claws on them feet. Uh-huh. All right, bud, you're going to fly, because I'm fixing to give you a sling.